Hello and welcome or welcome back. It's Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. Thank you for stopping by today and checking out my video. Today I'll be sharing my makes for Cara Brandon and DearJulieJulie's collaboration and challenge. And if you would like to see all of the makes that the Fawns are doing, or if you'd like to join in, make sure you use this hashtag JandCFall22. Now, another component that we're going to have with this challenge is a video hop and also other social media. So using that hashtag makes it really easy for everyone to be found. And for the hop, I'll have a list down in the comments so that you can make sure to go on to the next person and see what they made. Now, here is a flip through of the kits. So DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon have made these kits. It's going to spread out over 5 weeks, and we'll use a daily page or a weekly page for each person. So day 1 will coincide with day 2. Day 1 of Cara's will coincide with day 1 of Julie's, and then day 2 of Cara's will coincide with Julie's, and so on and so forth. And this week I'm sharing for week 2. And also down in the description box, I'll have links so that you can go to Cara and Julie's Etsy stores to purchase your own copies and play along with us. One important place that you'll want to post with your hashtag, in addition to all of your other social media, is to Cara Brandon and Friends Facebook group and DearJulieJulie's Facebook group. So, and that'll be linked down in the description box below. All right, and before I go on, I want to say giggles and greetings to the following: DearJulieJulie, Kathleen Mower, Creative Eyes ×3, who also told me she's a new sub, so thank you. Cindy Taylor, Kat Kappa, Bonnie Lipke, Jennilee Creates, PaperKraftD, Andrea's Life, CreativeDMEDesigns, Linda Adams Mixed Media, CreativeNana, aka Sheila, Ed or Liz, Sandra Shanko, Cara Brandon Creations, Rose Ann Dean, and I'm sorry if I pronounced anybody's names wrong, Ephemeraphiles by Tomi, The Serendipitous Crafter, Peggy Linegar, Darlene's Junk Journals and More, Vanessa Angel Rose Designs, Tina Smith, Cheryl Hutchinson, Mary Kay Hansen, and Jennifer Shaw. Thank you so much for leaving comments on my last video. I really appreciate it. It just brightened my day as each day I looked and I was getting more and more comments. And also I got lots of thumbs up, which I really appreciate too. So make sure for this video that you give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Also, I want to say again a big thank you to DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon Creations for allowing me to participate and be a fawn. All right, so once again, here is DearJulieJulie's week 2 page, and here is Cara Brandon's. Now, I didn't use everything up this week, but I did pull in a couple of items that I didn't end up using on day 1. So let me show you what I made for this week. All right, so the first thing that I made from, that I made from Julie's page, I made a large tag. And since I printed everything on just regular copy paper, I added some scrapbook paper to the back. And then I have this little piece of a doily, which came from this. And I got this one and another one on a haul video. It's a fun one, so I'll put an iCard right up there if you want to watch that. That would be great. All right, then I took I had a roll of tickets that I got in a swap, and then from Cara's day 2, I used one of the butterflies. I added some ribbon. Also from Cara's, I added this cute mushroom and a label, and then I had some stickers and I added that on there. And then I took a privacy envelope and I added a sticker down here. I stamped a fawn and a tree trunk. I used this owl, which I think might have been from day 1. Yes, this was from Julie's day 1. And I had some hymnal paper and I added the sticker on there and some ribbon. And I think, did I say I used the ribbon down there? All right, and then I did a little bit of background stamping and I used Cara's other butterfly. And this is going to live right in here. All right, then the next thing I did is I got some little baggies in another haul, and I'll link that video up here. And I took the little baggie, I took Julie's lace and added that here, and then I had a sticker of a tag, and then I had this wreath sticker and another ticket, and then from Cara's page I added that. And these tickets I had in a swap. If I didn't already say that, I'll put an iCard up there so you can go and watch that. And then I made this tag and I used some of the scrapbook paper that I also used on day 1. And I used some more hymnal for the music notes. This is from Cara's day 1. I added some of that doily and a ticket and some lace stapled on there. And what I did with the ribbon, I stapled it onto the ticket and then I glued the ticket down on the lace. That way I didn't have staples on the back side sticking out. And then that's on the same scrapbook paper as the other one. And it's going to live right in here. Next, I made some altered paper clips. And this one I just kind of kept simple. I added the lace and a sticker. I loved the way that it already looked. And then this one was from Cara's page. And I added the lace and a little ticket. Oh, and some gold speckled or gold glitter fingernail polish from Dollar Tree that Julie turned us on to. And then this is from Cara's. And then I have this little butterfly that was in Julie's kit last year for the fall challenge. And I will make sure to put a link to both Cara and Julie's Etsy shops where you can get those as well. Sorry to get my arm in there. Here's the Dollar Tree glitter polish, number 544. All right, and then the last thing that I made, I took an envelope, and there's still card in it that's undecorated, but I'm probably going to add something here and put it as a double tuck around a page. So I added some fabric, And I had bought this from Julie's shop. I don't know if she's still selling it, but I love her little bits of fabric. Before I started junk journaling and following Julie, I'd never used fabric in my paper crafts. So that's something really fun. Or tickets. So there's a ticket. And no, that's not true. I used some Tim Holtz tickets. Then I added this from Cara's page, this from Julie's page, this from Cara's page, and then a sticker wreath. So those are my makes for this week. Don't forget, leave a comment down below if you are one of the fawns that are participating. Let me know that you're a fawn, or if you're just playing along with us, put that down in the comments below. If you have a favorite piece, let me know which one you like the best. And I will see you for day 3. That'll be coming out next Wednesday. Here is the schedule in case you forgot what it was. So once again, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring my bell. That little bell, it will let you know whenever I have a new video that has come out. I really appreciate it. It helps me out with the YouTube. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithms. Don't really understand how any of that works. It's computer stuff, which, you know, I don't really get. I like to do art, not really computer stuff. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.